pick them up this morning. So here they are. They're very active. I've given them heat. I've started antibiotic because they have already taken a glucose at the driver's place because so many people couldn't pick. So it was only the people that was living close that was able to pick their own that yesterday. So here I've sent them this antibiotic, enrofloxacin, and the feed. I'm using a Optima Super Starter Plus. As you can see, they're doing very okay. So today is day 1. Yeah, today is day 1. I will keep giving updates on this batch until selling time. So here is it.